Blame him.
Well, he's just clicking, so I don't know what's to. Why don't you come over here, dear?
He says, well, someday you're
I
going to
thought I
have to
had
wear
it figured
shoes.
out, but
What are you
it's
going to
not.
do then? Huh?
Oh, I'm pushing the wrong thing. Oh, there you go. Just pushing on the button. I'll probably turn it off and on now.
Probably.
Yeah. Okay. Sawyer, what are you talking about, big boy?
Hey, Susie dog.
What's he talking about? What's he talking about?
I have a picture of her with Susie over there. That was a couple of years ago.
Yeah, it was.
Oh, I was looking at those.
Because that was always his chair there. And see,
That's his
Susie
chair.
Susie goes and he's right there.
What are you doing?
I'm videoing you and Sawyer.
You're videoing me.
Yep.
Yeah.
Is
Great.
that video?
This is a video. It's called a flip video.
Oh, my Lord. Does it take the voice, too?
Absolutely.
Oh, my Lord, I have to be careful what I'm
That
saying.
means Alex is going to be able to hear you.
We'll put this on YouTube. You'll be an internet sensation, Mom.
I was about to say, you look different after you get groomed.
You want the teddy bear? What do you think? What do you think? Oh my goodness.
He says,
I think your foot has grown since you got those socks.
well, he got some Santa Claus slippers already. He got a pre-Christmas gift.
Oh, my
Yes, I
goodness.
did.
He said they were so cute, I like to eat them.
Did you think so? Uh-huh. You're vocal when you start talking, Horace. Why?
Oh, I'm sorry. You're getting Susie's toy.
Why?
She's like, can I have that?
That's her toy. We're trying to keep him laughing.
Sarah doesn't do toys. That one doesn't work anymore. I think he probably needs some batteries.
And they're in the drawer with
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'll go get it.
My battery drawer. Yeah. Your hand's cold. Did you know that?
His
Or
hands
maybe
are
it's wet.
cold
See,
today.
it might be slobbery.
Huh?
It might have slobber on it.
Oh, well, that could be. Particularly if he's getting teasing, you know.
What are you going to tell us, Sawyer?
Tell us your story.
You going to tell us all about it? Oh, there's Susie. I see Susie.
Susie, no.
I'll take the camera with me.
Oh, goodness. What's that for? What's that for?
The camera with me and put it away.
What? Yeah, we get Mommy back in the background for a minute.
Where do I need to be?
Right behind
Am I
you.
going to be right here?
That's
What are
good.
you doing?
Just sit, get Mommy on there too.
Sawyer, what are you doing, bud?
And Grandpa's back in the kitchen. Oh, there he is.
Hi.
You know Mom, don't you?
Hi, buddy.
What do you think?
I'm having a little rest here.
We said, okay. Okie dokie.
He's a little restless.
He
He's
says,
getting
okay.
bored.
Oh, yeah. We got the dogs.
That is funny, huh? Are you watching it?
It sure is. Oh.
Tickles me, that dog. It makes you want to laugh.
Oh, stop just getting talk.
Poor baby, he's inundated with doggy kisses.
there's a motion sensor somewhere on it.
It's gonna be overload.
Is that fun?
Take your overload, huh, baby?
Is that fun?
It's better than hard
Warm right there. This plug is probably 200 years old.
It's coming through, what's over here?
He's looking at me. He said, what's that old woman doing there? That's right.